Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. And today's video, I'm gonna do an unexpected, truly unexpected makeup I've hit pan on because I didn't think that I was gonna have one so soon after I filmed the other one. But this was, like I said, completely unexpected. So if you wanna see about 8 single products, because I have eyeshadow palettes that have more than one pan in them. So if you wanna see 8 products that I hit pan on, then just keep on watching. If you want to recreate this look, this is from the Carly Bible palette, and it's my third look for the collab that I did for 5 days before Thanksgiving, and you can find there a lot of tutorials. And I did that collab with Too Much Stash, Natasha from Too Much Stash, and it was wonderful. So if you want to see that, I also have a long wearing foundation routine that you can find on that series as well. So I'm gonna leave that link below or someplace on the screen. So let's just go into the first product. And this is my second Natasha Denona eyeshadow that I hit pan on, and is this one beauty right here. Is this brownish pinky shade, and I truly enjoyed having that in one of my Frankie palettes so much that I hit pan on it. And I just even wore it after I finished and destroyed that Frankie palette and put everything back home. I've been loving that eyeshadow because it's just the perfect pinkish brownie transition. And it's not quite mauve. I'm not that into mauvey eyeshadows, but I'm into pinky shadows and I'm into brown shadows. So that's the perfect baby transition that I love on my eyelids. So that's the first product that I have that I've hit pan on. And I'm happy that this year I've been showing way more love to my Natasha Denona shadows because those are my favorite. Definitely unexpected. I've been trying to go through my powders, you guys know this. So sometimes I use different powders to buff or different powders to set my skin. But I never set my skin with colored powders. But I was thinking, like, I'm gonna run out of translucent powders and I don't go out every day, so I don't mind wearing colored powders that are a little bit different from the color that I have on my skin. So I started to use this one a while ago, more and more each day. This is the BECCA Perfect Skin Mineral Powder Foundation in the shade Buttercup, and you can see that I have major pan. It's the powder that I'm using on my face today to set it. I've been using it to set my face for the past, I think, 2 weeks or more, and I've used it with a sponge after I finish applying my foundation, and I don't use any more powders. I use it even under my eyes, and this is a beautiful powder. I think it was discontinued. This is the mineral foundation from BECCA, and I think it's wonderful. I don't know why they discontinued it, and you can use it on its own and it will give you a decent coverage as well. So these Buttercup, I know it's gonna be gone. I don't know if before the end of the year, but I'm hopeful that it will. And I just added that to my project pan, not officially but unofficially, because I finished the powder that I had on my project pan. So this is the one that I'm gonna be using until I finish it, hopefully this year. I love cream products, and I have a collab of a project pan for next year that's gonna be a cream product project pan, and I'm so excited for that. I subscribed to that project yesterday, so I have to choose the products that I'm gonna use, but I think this is gonna be one of them just to finish it next year. This is Peony by Stila, and you can see that I hit little pan. I love these. I love this convertible blushes. This is the convertible color dual lip and cheek cream from Stila, and this was just a small size, but I've used this to death. And you can use it on the lips. It gives you sort of the lip color that I'm wearing today, and it's wonderful. The formula is so buttery and creamy. I highly recommend these. I do. I think they're a beautiful formula and nobody speaks about them except for Lisa Eldridge, which is no small thing. So yeah, this is a lovely product that I'm happy that I hit pan on, because cream products are harder for me to use up since I live in such a humid weather. I have a goal that I'm gonna start to pan every single eyeshadow from each palette, and until I reach a goal with one, I'm not gonna move to another one. But I rotate my eyeshadow palettes because I have so many that I'm not gonna just use one eyeshadow palette from my Panda palette project. I'm not gonna make myself do that, but I'm gonna focus more towards a certain palette. The one that I have right now is the Modern Renaissance by ABH, and I was thinking, I even think that I said that on a video, that I was gonna go in for my Master Palette by Mario next, and I had a few shades that I already hit pan on. I don't quite remember this weekend what happened, but I don't know if I hit pan in 3 shades or just 2. I truly can't remember, so I'm not even gonna lie, but I'm gonna tell you the ones that I think I hit pan on. So if there were 3, I think it was New York City, like NYC, Violetta, I know I hit pan on this weekend, and I don't know if Isabel was this weekend as well. You can see that I have major pan porn here for you guys on this palette, and I know that I can finish this palette. I know that I can actually hit pan in every shade. So now I have only 3 eyeshadows left to pan, and as soon as I hit pan on my last shadow from the Modern Renaissance, it doesn't die, I'm gonna just go and start working on hitting pan in all the other 3 shades to keep moving on to other palettes. I'm gonna start with ABH because they motivate me, because they are easier to hit pan on. You have to use them because I don't waste products just to hit pan, but they're easier to hit pan because the formula is softer. So here you can see how well loved this eyeshadow palette is, and I use it on clients and I use it on myself. And now last but not least, more ABH, and I hit pan in 2 shades of the Norvina palette, the original one. I don't know guys, but when people show their palettes and they're like pristine, in pristine condition, like all purple and the Modern Renaissance quite pink, and they say this is my favorite, please let me know your secret below, because all my Anastasia shadow palettes look crazy. And it's because I use them a ton and because I clean them a lot, because I'm anal about that. So I prefer a discolored palette than a nasty palette, and that's just the thing. So, but if you have any secrets to keep the packaging beautiful, then just let me know below. Now this is the Norvina palette, and I hit pan on Wild Child this weekend because I was wearing it so much. It's this shade right here, and I love that pink. I love it. I wish it was more potent, because sometimes when you're applying it, you need to wet it, or you need to apply it time after time just to build it up, because it feels a little bit sheer to me, but I love the end result with it. And then I hit tiny pan on Passion. You can see it right here. And this palette as well, it has 7 shadows with pan in them and 7 without it. So I know this can be another one that I will start to work on panning. And it's also a lovely palette. I love this for bridal. I love this for bridesmaids because it's so buttery. This formula right here, oh my goodness, mostly these 4, Dreamer, Summer, Rose Gold, and Dazzling, those are shades that are butter on your eyes. I love them. I think that any look that you create with them, it's wonderful. So that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoy. I know you love some pan porn. Let me know if you're excited for the project pan with cream products, and if you would like to see that on my channel. That's it, you guys. For an emoji today, just leave any pan emoji, you know the drill, and subscribe before you go, and I guess I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.